Dr. Cool. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you possible cause why your AC line is freezing up. Maybe a lot of people pray to experience winter, but if you start experiencing winter on the AC lines of your car, then I don't know if that is an answered prayer. But if it is not an answered prayer, let's go to it. So this is the suction line and this is the liquid line. Where most people will be having problem of freezing is most of the times the suction line. So what really happened? What is the cause of that suction line freezing up? Well, let's get to it. It's gonna mean a different thing for different AC configurations. So if it is for house AC, it's not the solution which I'm gonna be giving you here is not gonna be applicable. But if it is that of car, then this is 100% applicable and the solution to it. So when you're on your AC system and you call for some wire and you started noticing this suction line freezing up, there are a couple of things that can cause it, and one of it is that there is a poor airflow across the evaporator core of your car. And most of the times what actually causes that poor airflow is a bad cabin filter. So you want to go ahead and remove the cabin filter and dust it off clean, let it allow a quality airflow across the condenser coil, and you are on your way solving this problem by yourself and save yourself a lot of money. So easy peasy. Removing the cabin filter, dust it or replace it. Now if you did that and the problem is not solved, then the second phase. The second phase is a bad thermistor. The thermistor is present right underneath the dashboard where the evaporator core is right inside the evaporator core. So the thermistor is actually what the ECM uses to know how cold the evaporator is and turn off the power going to the compressor or reduce the compressing ratio of the compressor. And when that happens, there will be no ice forming on the AC line. So if it's bad, for most older models, the ECM will have no knowledge, the climate electronic control module will have no knowledge of the amount of temperature present at the AC line, and therefore we keep pumping the refrigerant, and this will result into a frozen AC line. So you want to check and see, swap some of those which you can find somewhere with it and see if this solves the problem. And if it doesn't solve the problem, then come back here. But if you solve the problem, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And the last one is a human created problem, which is most of the times the compressor, the fan speed which is here is very low, and this can be very much likely with most fixed displacement compressor. And when it's low, when the fan is at 1 or 2 and the compressor is pumping up to its full duty cycle, then it has a tendency of freezing the line, the AC line, while the AC is working. So increasing the fan speed to middle can often suffice and fix the problem. But you want to check some other factors which I've listed before this very moment, right? Then the last one I'm going to be using to cut this up is there may be a likely case that the compressor is having a direct power and the pressure switch and the thermistor present in the evaporator is bypassed. And as such bypass, you have override all the parameters of the control parameters of the AC system, and therefore, in as much as the compressor is energized and there is a poor airflow across the condenser evaporator core, the suction line will be frozen and the AC system is not going to be cold inside as it's supposed to. Now that you know how to solve AC line that is freezing in your car, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye.